But if this brings you just a little closer to those men who are going into the hottest spots, I hope that it will help you to do a better job. Better job.
Yes, so Ivy and I have finally had the time to actually shoot how we set up for our workshop. So if you don't know, I bring my sister with me and she's my little helper and she helps me set up and pack up and take photos, and I edit the videos. And yeah, so we managed to come early. We usually catch the train, but as you can see, it's raining outside. It usually takes us longer by car, maybe around an hour and a half. We didn't want to risk walking in the rain with all of those workbooks. I didn't want them to get wet. Just waiting for my students to come. And really excited. A bit nervous still. I think this is my 11th workshop. But I still get workshop jitters. Check 1 2, check 1 2, check 1 2. So yeah, I'm back home after the workshop, nice and comfy in my pajamas, no more makeup. So anyway, today was one of those workshops that I felt like I wasn't really my best. Things didn't go as smoothly as they used to, so I've been running workshops since April 2019. So this was my also, this is my 14th workshop, and I still get really nervous and I still get conscious of how I talk, how I sound, how I look. And sometimes when I overthink things, that's when I get all conscious and I end up stuttering and have like really long pauses when I don't intend to do that. And when that happens, I feel very incompetent. I feel like the students might be thinking, so my number one priority with workshops is that to give my students, a really good experience, for them to have fun and enjoy the experience of learning calligraphy. I find that regardless of the number of workshops that I do, I keep on learning something new about myself and about my students, how to answer questions properly. One of my weaknesses is giving instructions. I'm really crap at giving instructions. But you know, I've noticed an improvement in how I give instructions, and also another improvement is my public speaking. It's still not my favorite thing to do, but the more I do it, the more I feel confident. Running workshops and actually teaching people is really good in developing that skill of handling people who learn things differently. That's one of the greatest things about doing workshops. So back on March 2019, if you asked me if I wanted to actually teach workshops, I'd be like, no. I actually had like really bad imposter syndrome. Like, who do you think you are? You've just actually gone to your first workshop a few months ago and now you're gonna teach one? What? But then again, when you teach people who are complete beginners, they have a really good appreciation of like the skill and the knowledge that you've learned. Just as long as you can, you know, the basics, and just as long as you can support someone, support your students, I think you can really do it. You don't have to have like 5 years of experience. You don't have to have like, I've gone to 1,000 workshops, so I would recommend focusing on the experience, because even if you have like the best tools, if you don't provide a really good experience, all of those amazing materials wouldn't matter. That's what I found. Another valuable insight I got from Young Hei of Logos Calligraphy is to develop a relationship with each student, give them one-on-one guidance. I go around the table and help them, and then I try to find like a connection, and providing that guidance to someone who is new to the skill you're teaching is a really valuable thing. Having that relationship with past students, you can like gain insight from them, and I try and ask them, oh, what do you want to improve on? What else do you want to see? What else do you want to learn? It really helps, like that relationship between teacher and students and that ongoing support that you give. It really means a lot. So there are of course days when I feel like I wasn't my best, but then again, you know, everything is a learning experience and not everything will be perfect, and same applies for everything in life. If you're going through something similar, like a creative slump, a creative block, a reading slump, a shitty day, just know that, you know, everything is a learning experience and you will get through this. And my camera is almost out of battery, and thank you for watching my video. Just keep creating, don't give up, don't be afraid to put yourself out there. If I can do it, you can do it. And live your dreams, make your dreams a reality, because life is short. The coronavirus is coming. Char! It's already here. Breaking news, it's here. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good night. I'm gonna sleep now.